Emma, your grammar guru here at Talk Learner. From English MCQs and quizzes to grammar tricks and test prep, I've got your back to level up your language skills.
And I'm Leo, your podcast pal. Join me for English podcasts filled with fun conversations, real-life topics, and tons of expressions you can use every day.
Hey, I'm Sophia, your story spinner. I bring you short and long English stories, general knowledge facts, and amazing tales that entertain and educate.
We are your Talk Learner team, here to help you learn, practice, and grow in English, all while having fun. Subscribe now and join the Talk Learner family. Let's make English learning smart, fun, and unforgettable.